Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open Ghost Mode in Honista. First, understand that Ghost Mode allows you to browse privately, viewing stories and messages without leaving a trace. This means you can check out content without appearing online or having your views registered. It's a fantastic way to maintain your privacy and control your visibility within the app. To begin, open the Honista application on your mobile device. Once the app is loaded, look towards the bottom right of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Tap on it to access your profile. From your profile page, locate the three horizontal lines icon, usually found in the top right corner, and tap it to open the main menu. Now that you're in the main menu, scroll down and find the option labeled Honista Settings. Tap on this to enter the app's specific configurations. Within the settings, you'll need to locate and select Privacy and Security. Inside this section, you will see various privacy options. Look for Ghost Mode and simply tap the toggle switch to turn it on. With Ghost Mode now enabled, you can confidently browse Honista with enhanced privacy. You'll be able to view stories and direct messages without anyone knowing you've seen them. It's a simple yet powerful feature for those who value their online anonymity. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your private Honista experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.